Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll be doing exercise 1A. So we are going to do question number 6 of 1A. 5 by 9 of a piece of a metal has a mass of 7 kg. What is the mass of 2 by 7 of the piece of the metal? So let's start doing it. Here I will write piece of metal. And over here we will write mass. So now start putting the values in it. 5 by 9 is a piece of metal, and how much is a mass? Mass is 7 kg. Now after this we will be writing 2 by 7 metal piece, and we want to know how much is the mass of the metal. So I'm going to write x here. We'll cross multiply this like this. So here we will write 5 by 9 x, because we are multiplying this with this, and over here we'll write 2 by 7 ratio 7 kg. So when anything which, no, first we're going to cancel this 7 kg and 7 and 7 upon this 7 divided by 7 kg. So you will get 5 by 9 x over here, and I cancelled this up, and now I got 2 kg left. And we all know this very well, that when anything which multiplies will divide here, and anything which divides here will multiply here. So because you want to know the value of mass, so you're going to write 2 kg multiply by 9 by 5. We are taking the reciprocal of it, so this will become 2 9s are 18 divided by 5. So the result is 3 whole 3 by 5. Now question number 7. If z is directly proportional to x and z is 12 when x is 3, find the value of x when z is 18. So let's start doing it. Z is proportional to x. So here we're going to put the value. Z is equals to kx, and we must all know this very well, that k is the constant. So here we'll find out the constant. So our z is 12, we don't know k, and our x is 3. So here you divide this, 12 divided by 3, so you'll get your k, that is 4. Your k is 4. After this there's another part, that is find the value of x when z is 18. So you're going to write your z is equals to kx. Okay, after this we're going to put the values in it so that we can get our x. So our z is 18, our k is 4, and we don't know our x. So here it's multiplying, so over here it will come and it will divide this 4, and you'll get the value of x. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, and your x will be 9 by 2, that is 4.5. Now question number 8. If b is directly proportional to a and b is 3, when a is equals to 18, find the value of b when a is 24. So let's start with the question. Here we'll write b is proportional to A. Okay, so we'll write b is equals to ka, as we all know that we want to know the value of k. How much is a b? A b is 3. Okay, and our a is how much? Our a is 18. So the same rule, 3 divided by 18. So your k will be 1 upon 6. Okay, and then after this we'll write b is equals to ka, and we would like to know the value of b. So we'll write a b is how much? It's unknown. A k is 1 upon 6, and our a is 24. Cancel it. 6 1s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. So your b will be how much? Your b will be 4. Now let's start with question number 10. If y is directly proportional to x and y is 20, when x is 5, find the equation of connecting x and y. So let's start with this first part of question number 10. So here we'll write y is proportional to x. Okay, and then we'll write y is equals to kx. Now the y is 20 and your k is unknown and your x is how much? Your x is 5. So here we will divide this 5 and we'll get 5 5 and the 5 is the 20. So your k is 4. Now the next part is we have to find the connectivity. So here we'll write y is equals to kx. Okay, and then how much is a y? A y is unknown because when we are finding out the connectivity, we just want to write the value of k. So your y will be as it is, and your k will be 4, and your x will be the same as y. Now after this, now the second part of the question where y is kx and your k is constant, so you put the value of k in this, that is 4x, and then we'll start plotting the graph. So here this is the your data x and y. So when your first part when it takes 0, when x is 0, how much is your y? The y will also be 0. So you put a 0 here. After that, then we'll put another one when y is equals to kx again, and here when k is what? 4 and your x is 1. So your y will be how much? Your y will be 4. When x is 1, y will be 4. And then again y is equals to kx. So you're going to put the values in it. So how much will be your x will be 2 and your k is 4. So how much will be your y? The y will be 8. Your y will be 8. So we're going to put, when this is 2 here, then y will be 8. Okay, now we are going to spot the plotting of graph. So over here, when x is 0, y is also 0 here, just see. So over here it will be 0. There's nothing. It will be here only. And after this, we will start plotting the graph. So now when x is 1, how much is your how much is your y? So here we'll have a little change in this. We're going to put because I don't have the graph paper, so here I'm going to put 1 here. 1 is equals to 4. This is 4 here, and after this when your x is 2, how much is your y? Your y is 8. So start plotting it. Okay, so your y is 8. Now you're going to draw the line. So your graph is ready. Okay. Now question number 13. The pressure of pascals of a gas in a container is directly proportional to its temperature T Kelvin when T is 10 and P is 24. So let's start with the question. So here this is P is proportional to T, where P is equals to KT. Our P is how much? Our P is 25. Our P is 25. Our K is unknown. And our T is how much? Our T is 10. So for this, actually we want to know the value of K. So 25 divided by 10. This is your K. So we will write the value of K, that is 2.5. Okay. After this, another question, that is what you call it? The second part of the question is the pressure P. Find the equation of connecting P and T. So we want to know the connectivity of P and T. So here we'll write this equation. P is equals to KT. So P is how much? P is how much is the P? P is 2.5, I think. P is unknown, and our K is how much? Our K is 2.5, and our T is also unknown. Because when we want to know the connectivity, we just write the value of K, and P and T will be just the position will be same. So here this is the second part, the first part of the question of connectivity. After this, we'll be writing another question, that is how much? Find the value of P. Find the value of P when T is equals to 24. So your P is equals to KT, and we don't know the value of X. Okay, and our K is 2.5 and our T is 24. So here you're going to multiply this 2.5 with 24, and your result will be 60. This means your P is 60. Now the next question, that is calculate the value of T when P is 12. So here again we'll write the same equation. P is equals to KT, and we want to know the value of T, so we're going to put the value of P equals to 12. Okay, and after this we'll write the value of K, that is how much? That is 2.5, but we don't know the value of T because we have to find it out. 12, here it's multiplying, so over here it will divide. So you're going to write 12 divided by 2.5. So this is the value of T. So here T is 4.8.